And this time we're going to keep track of keeping our jawline parallel with the floor as we do some head turning. So we're going to be exhaling to turn the head, looking over the right shoulder, and inhaling to turn the head to look over the left shoulder. All the while, we're going to keep that jawline parallel with the floor. So go ahead and get started. Check with your hand if you'd like. What often happens here is the top of our head will go further back than our chin, so that tilts our head and our jawline is no longer parallel. That's just the brain saying, oh, if the top of my head's gone further, then I've actually twisted my neck further. You haven't really twisted the neck further, but there's something in your mind thinks it has, and it feels good about that. So rather than doing that, be really mindful of keeping that jawline parallel with the floor. And this will get you into some of that juiciness right where your neck meets your skull. For this reason, we're also not turning the shoulders at all. Isolate that all right into that juiciness at the base of the skull. When you find yourself next coming back to center, pause there and notice how it feels. Check that you've returned, in fact, to neutral. It gets a little easier every time to find neutral, doesn't it?